Hi, my name is Dan Miner. I am a second generation owner of Industrial Screen and Maintenance. Today I'd like to introduce you to the Maglatch Stabbing Guide. Now, stabbing guides in general have been made for 20 years out of urethane using a buckle type arrangement. This buckle opens the stabbing guide up. They're able to snap it around their pipe, at which point they buckle the system back up, and then they're ready to stab the next piece of pipe. Well, a customer came to us and did not like the buckle system, did not like the fact that it would break down, did not like the fact that it would freeze up. So together we worked on it, and we come up with our new and patent pending Maglatch Stabbing Guide. The Maglatch Stabbing Guide is a stabbing guide which is magnetically closed. It goes down on the pipe, snaps together. We're then able to stab the pipe in. It readily breaks off of the pipe and then onto the next joint. We have these available in a multitude of different colors. We can make them your company color. We can make them pink. We can make them any color you'd like. The fact that we stock these on a regular basis means that you can get an order delivered maybe possibly within the same day. So what we'd like to do is if you're interested in the new Maglatch Stabbing Guide, please give us a call, and we should have them ready and available to you, hopefully to be able to ship the same day.